In this video, I show you how to earn $92 per hour by just watching videos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. The first step is to play the video. The second step is to watch it for at least 60 seconds. And step 3 is to cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. I would like you to go to this website called zoombucks.com. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. Go ahead and click on the Watching TV option. Now allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1. Create a free account on this site. Step 2. Select a channel that interests you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out for more earnings by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's just that easy. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to properly understand how this website works. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the homepage and just sign up. Now once you log into your ZoomBucks account, you can check how much money you can make on this website. You can see that people have made anything from $200 to $500, and you could be next. These individuals are all earning money on ZoomBucks by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The best part is there are a large number of videos available here, and all of those videos reset every day, which means that there is an endless opportunity for you to earn money here by just watching videos. To get started, click Watch on the left-hand side. After that, you'll see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably on them. And if you hover your cursor over them, you'll see their offer details. Next, select Lootably by clicking this Start button. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, or random videos. On the right-hand side, you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. After creating a Lootably account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Thus, you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings. To save data, I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are quite effective, and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this website. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover the laziest way to make money online for beginners, which is available worldwide.